Candace, I really want to thank you for making this video that I will show and post here about Britney Spears. Not only was she drugged and taken, but I honestly believe she lost her marbles because of the family court system and how they prey on families and parents to spend money so that they can pretty much make you go crazy or unalive yourself. I have not seen my 5 children in over 324 days as of today. I dropped them off to school, and that was it. Never saw them again. All under false accusations, and not one person questioned me. Now, I do want to read a little bit about Britney Spears' situation that she got into. This all goes under the same family court corruption that I'm working really hard to change. So Britney and her children were pawns in the game meant to enrich the players. Pawns are easily played and discarded. You have to remember that not only did her family participate in this, but again, Kevin did as well. They just wanted her to spend money and give money. They literally went against her, made her feel crazy. What happens if you take your woman's children away? A lot. Candace, I know you have a child. What happens if you all of a sudden never saw your child again for over a year? So this is a huge epidemic. And because of Britney Spears, it's come to light more and more. Britney's only a year older than me. But when I remember when she went through divorce, I remember thinking, that's so sick. Why can't she see her children? If you look, psychologists label and encourage, especially primary care mothers, the range of psychological diagnosis, including official DSM codes such as bipolar, psychological attachment, unofficial terms like enmeshed parenting, the gatekeeper. The strategy is to simply call her crazy. Okay, that's the whole point. I personally know people in my same situation that they're trying to say this mother's crazy. This mother is a normal working healthcare provider. She is a great mother, and she has not seen her daughter for over a year, her 5-year-old little girl. The AFCC started with the top people in Britney's case. Kevin's lawyer, her lawyer, and the AFCC is they all work together. They have conventions every year. The last convention was just the beginning of December. They have conventions every year on how they can spin off therapists, reunification therapists, GAL, judges, and lawyers all work together because the more they can get someone to spend money like Britney and make her look crazy, the more money they get. They don't care about the children's lives. They don't care about children actually seeing the other parent. This does happen to men as well. Anyway, I really appreciate, Candace, you bringing to light Britney's story, and I would love a chance to tell you my story because I have started a crusade over here. I'm trying to get a petition signed to 50,000 so I can take this to Congress. Candace, you could be in the very same situation as I am, as Britney was, or maybe your children, or maybe your grandchildren will be. Here's the thing. We need to change the system that puts price tags on our children. How is it that a mother like me devoted her whole life? I have a divorce decree, been in the legal battle for 11 years. I just lose my kids like that. It's wrong, and it's happened to thousands of people. My whole platform started in April, has now over 32,000 followers just because people are going through the same thing as me. And the reason you don't hear about it is because there's gag orders in place. They take away our civil rights and our constitutional rights as parents. I pray that you or Megyn Kelly or Tucker Carlson or anyone else can really focus on this problem. It is one of the biggest epidemics in our country, not to mention worldwide. Again, I thank you for bringing up Britney's story. I hope and pray I hear from you or your team. Thank you.